Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Danrie from Crafty Giving, and in today's video I want to share a 5-minute quick little handmade gift for those last minute occasions where you may not have had the time to go grab something special. So why not make something special? If you have a little stash of beads in your cupboard because you're a crafty little giver, as well as some crafting wire and a few clamps, then this is the perfect 5-minute gift that you can whip up in a jiffy. Now, it will totally depend on what kind of beads you have. I'm lucky enough to have these beautiful glass beads that I've been stashing in my craft kit for years, and now I have the opportunity to use them. The hardest part of this little project is deciding what kind of design you want in terms of which beads go where. I find it easiest to line them up on my bench in the order of how I want them, and simply grabbing my jewelry wire and start threading my beads onto that jewelry wire. Now, for my particular design here, my little square glass beads did not fit both of the wires through the little hole, but I did manage to start my design by threading the wire onto one bead and then using both the wires to thread through each bead going towards the top. Now, as I said, my square little beads did not fit, so I only threaded one and then connected it back again by threading both wires through the next bead, if that makes sense. Now, this will totally depend on the size of your wire, the size of your beads, and how you want to design your keychain. This is the end product. Now, once I was happy with my design, literally less than 2 minutes here, I went ahead and added in my little clamping bead to squish all my beads together to make sure there's no big gaps. So using my pair of pliers, I just pushed my beads down and then clamped them into place. There is the base of your keychain. Now, to make it a keychain, you will obviously need the keychain part. So I've added another clamping bead onto my design and then threaded through my little key ring and then loop that around back through that last clamping bead, making sure that both of those pieces of wires fit through, using my pliers to help me here and pull it nice and tight to create a little eye loop. Now, making sure to push that down and make it a good reasonable size, not too big, not too small, where the keychain can still move around because you need to thread some keys onto that. Once I was happy with the placement, I did go ahead and snip the excess off before clamping my bead, just with a pair of scissors, but it depends on what kind of wire you use again. Clamp that shut and it's as simple as that. You have a beautiful handmade gift ready in minutes. You can make as many as you like for a quick gift for Mother's Day, birthdays, just because, Christmas, heck, any occasion is a celebration in my eyes. To present your beautiful gift, I have these amazing little pieces of paper of marbling in various different colors. I matched those up and trimmed them to size for a little self-sealing plastic bag. Now, I'm not one for rulers and precise measurements. I just like to eyeball it and guesstimate. Once I've guesstimated, I go ahead and trim it to size and hoping for the best. Then, to make sure that the keychain stays in place, I'm just going to use a little bit of clear sticky tape to sticky tape it down into place to one side of my little package, because I do have these beautiful little handy dandy handmade stickers that I want to stick to the other side of my design to present it as my final little gift. As always, you can present your little handmade gift any way you like, but I have a slight obsession with these self-sealing bags and any handmade sticker that I can get my hands on. And there you have it, a really quick and easy, simple, but yet very effective little handmade gift to make for someone special in your life that does not even take 5 minutes to whip together, but looks like you've spent hours making it or even spent a lot of money at the Sunday markets. Another fun idea would be to write a personalized message on the back of your package, because you do have a blank piece of paper right here that you can utilize to make it even extra special. And there you have it. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please leave me a big ol' thumbs up down below. Let me know in the comments, what kind of keychain do you have? I make videos on handmade gifts and other fun DIY projects. I thank you for watching, and remember to be crafty with your giving. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye!